Spectre's triple chrome-plated steel Hex-Style Radiator Cap fits the majority of radiators requiring a 14 to 18-pound cap. Hex-Style Triple Chrome-Plated Stell. OEM replacement for 14 to 18 pounds pressure-rated systems. Not designed for closed systems. Speed by Spectre, the 400 miles per hour company. Rooted in racing, designs and builds every product with the same goal in mind. Speed by Spectre products are designed to perform as good as they look using the highest quality materials and engineered for optimum fit and function. Top reviews from the United States. Simple yet unique radiator cap. The quality of the cap is nice and it's a little more unique than the standard OEM cap that came with my car. Additionally, I had the cap powder-coated matte black to match other parts in my engine bay. If you're interested in getting excellent quality powder coating for very reasonable prices, I highly recommend checking out Powderman CPC on Instagram.